So the lens that I'm using in this video is from Lux Lens, and this is the lens which is in the shade Jade Lux. So the first thing that I'll be using is a BB cream. Now I'll not be using any kind of foundation here, because I would suggest if you are a teenager, you need to use something very light, because at this age your skin needs to breathe and you cannot cover it up with foundation. So you will just add to the problems, and you will happen to have like acne and clogged pores and just add to all the issues. So I would suggest a BB cream, any BB cream that you get out there in the market, and there are many BB creams out there, Garnier, Pond's, this one is VLCC Glam Glow, and I'm using this which is in the shade Warm Beige. So next one I'm going to be using is any kind of lip tint. If you have a lipstick, you can use that too, whatever suits you best. Now I'm going in the shades of pink, and I'm going to be using this lipstick to use it on my cheek to give me that little flushed makeup look. And I'm just going to like put a little bit on my cheek like that. If you have any lip tint, you can use that as well, cheek tint, and just blend it in. Now if you want, you can also use a little bit of a concealer to hide any kind of dark circles. If you have any, you can use whatever concealer you have. It doesn't necessarily have to be the same brands that I am using, and this is the one I'm going to be using. I'm going to apply a little bit under my eye. You need to blend it all the way down here so that you don't have a mismatch there, and it doesn't look like you just have concealed this portion. Anywhere that you can see any dark patches, a little bit of concealer goes a long way. Now coming to the eyes, I would suggest something which is very mild, very subtle, because this can go as an everyday look, and being a teenager you shouldn't be using loud bold kind of colors, because those are the colors which suits adults and not teenagers. So you should go for more softer looks, and this is a blush that I got from Kiko. It is a very nice subtle very skin like color, and it has a little bit of a sheen. But this blush, I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using my setting spray along with it to give it, like, it'll just stay in really well. So I'm going to spray a little bit of my setting spray, which I'm going to be using in dewy finish. I'm just going to spray it on the mirror end so that I use that. Then I put it on the blush, and then a little bit on my eyelids. It's a very natural one, so you will not see too much of it on the skin, but it will give you a nice dewy skin like sheen. You can make out the difference between both the eyes. It's very skin like, and it doesn't really show that you have any makeup on, which is the entire purpose of doing such soft makeup. And I usually just use one color. Just use one color all across your eyelid. Just cover it completely. And you can use the very same blush and just put it over here at the apple of your cheek. To give that soft look and a little definition to the cheek. Coming to the next part, which is brightening your eyes. Now, For me, what works is using a gold pencil. Now I use this gold pencil which I got from Kiko, and I'm not sure if other brands have it, but initially I used to use Maybelline, and then I only found it at Kiko next. So if you get a gold pencil, try using the gold pencil instead of a white pencil. If you don't get a gold pencil, try using a beige pencil. So that really brightens up your eyes, and it makes your eyes look bigger, and it makes you look more fresh. So I'm just going to fill this in the lower waterline. This really makes your eye pop and look very nice. It really enhances that feature in your face. And so the next one is applying a highlighter, if at all you wish to do so. So I do not use a lot of highlighter on my face when it comes to subtle makeup, but you need a little bit of glow. So I'm going to be using, again, I love Kiko and their highlighters. So I got this jelly highlighter from them recently, and it's one of my favorites because it just blends in so well and looks natural. So I'm just going to apply a little bit, one on the tip of my nose. The second part is applied here near your brow, on your brow bone. Now, I do not suggest using a highlighter on a daily basis if you are getting ready for a special occasion, or something that you have in school or college and stuff like that. You can use a highlighter, but I would not recommend using highlighters on a daily basis, because again, highlighters have tiny little particles of glitter in it which are not very visible to the naked eye, but they clog pores and will add on to your skin issues. So again, highlighters are not recommended on a daily basis. Now to finish the eye look, I'm going to be using a mascara. Now again, this one is from Kiko here, but you can use whichever mascara you like. And because I have lash extensions on, I'm just going to apply mascara on my lower lashes, but you can actually go on and apply a good amount of mascara on your upper lashes as well. Never overdo your mascara, never make it look clumpy, so go very light on your lower lashes always. So now to complete this, I'm going to be using the same lipstick that I used as a blush on my cheeks, because it looks much better when you use the same color on your cheeks and your lips. Do not apply it like a complete lipstick. Just keep dabbing it, and you can apply a lip balm on top of it. Just use it as a lip tint, like that, and smudge it. So this is my finished look, and this is what I would recommend for me, they are rather children. So teenagers and younger kids who would like to do some kind of makeup, but please do not overdo it, because your skin needs to breathe at that age, and if it doesn't, you're just clogging your pores with foundation and excess makeup, which will just add to the skin issues. And because of all the kinds of hormonal changes and your skin issues, it will just add up to it, and makeup is not the solution for acne or any of those kind of skin issues. So you need to be very careful during that age with your skin, and that is why I would suggest for you to not use a foundation, to use a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer, because you will moisturize your skin, you will let it breathe, and also you will look a little more dolled up. So this video suggestion was made to me by one of my subscribers in the comment section, and that is why I picked this topic and made this makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and a lot more of these videos will be coming up soon. Any comments, any suggestions, you know where to do that in the comment section down below, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.